Today we are planning to go to Ice Rink in one of the biggest mall in Dubai. It's a Dubai Mall. We'll be taking all our kids, Ananya, then Ridhan, Dushu, Mishka to Ice Rink after a long time. Myself, last time I think I went to Ice Rink like 9 years before, and after a long time I will be going in Ice Rink. I don't know whether I can do it properly. Me and Swapnali used to go there, so today we both will also join our kids, and let's see, let's have fun. So let's go to Dubai Mall.
But it's so easy to skate, so I won't.
Hey, penguin. You will also take penguin.
Mishka! Hey, back then.
You will take penguin.
No, I will not take penguin. I have you as a penguin.
So
I will hold your shoulders and walk and skate and dhadpad.
It's too heavy. What in the world? My bottle and my pant is there. It's too now heavy.
What?
It's too. My bag is too heavy.
What? आपण
तुला जेवायला काय दिलं?
का नाही दिलं आईने?
मम्मी जेवायला दिलं तुला?
My mom has seen like I need one.
तो जेवा दिला काय? ते लॉक कर.
काय काढून बस बेटा.
Inside is my clothes
बस.
and I can't.
बॅग ठेव तिथे खाली.
चलो.
आरामात बस. चलो लेट्स गो. ये Where are you going? Where are
I called another name for Iman. Why do you put
What
in
you
my
been
hand?
wearing for Diwali?
No, help me. No. Yes.
चलो.
Definitely not if I'm all this is just fake. At least we will be like, oh yeah, look at that.
ह्याला पकड. असती असती हा. हो ना गिव टू हर. ह्याला इकडे इकडे आहे. ह्याला पकडून जा. ओके ओके ना. बेस्ट आहे ते. हात नाही पकडू शकत. दोघं पडू. दुसूचे घे. होताच नाही. हा हिला दे इसका हिला दे. आणून घे. हाँ जा वॉक कर. Everyone together.
It was good except when I fell, because now it feels like ice is like pieces are in my skin. It feels like that over here because I fell. But otherwise it is fine because I was just taking the whale thing and pushing my brother around, just drifting it on each turn, and left and right on the straight path. So
how was your feeling? You fall down at least more than 10 times, I think.
Very good, Maja.
Very good. Enjoyed?
Yes.
Ananya, you enjoyed?
First I didn't know only, then I learned.
Okay, very good.
Yeah, and you still don't know how to skate on ice. On ice, I do not like average.
And how I was skating?
Good.
Good?
Yes.
Nice?
Especially after 8 years.
Huh?
It's been 8 years since we stopped skating.
Yes.